Hey guys, so quick demo lang tayo ng pressure washer ni Boss Luwan. Yan. So it was only located here sa malapit sa gate, malapit sa store. So that's it. So para as we know na meron kaming pressure washer na pinangalang ay Luwan. Yan. Lang yung size niya. So yes, we do have soap and water. Yung sa soap naman, dito lang, dripper lang siya. So yan, demo natin. Lakas, di ba? Palitan natin ng numb. So yan, trajectory check. Napakalakas, guys. Alright. So talaga yung main purpose ko para rinisin lang yung machine itself. So that was quick review dun sa 5 peso pressure washer by Boss Luwan. Alright. Thank you for watching.